Nicole here, part of Billionaire Marketing Group. Just out here enjoying a beautiful Saturday with my kids at the park, and just wanted to catch up with everybody real quick and say hi, make my video for the day. And basically, I just wanted to talk about life in general. It's all about spending time with family, your loved ones, and having that time freedom to be able to do the things that you want with them when you want to do them. That's the main reason why I'm part of this team, because we work as a team to help each other achieve our goals and our dreams. As a group, it's all about teamwork. It's not you by yourself doing everything. And basically just, reaching for your goals and enjoying this beautiful day as you see here. Sunny Florida. Sorry about everybody up north in the snow and the cold. And so if you ever had any questions about marketing online or being able to get traffic to your website or anything like that, definitely reach out to us. We have tons of trainings, we have webinars, we have team calls, we have everything to help each other succeed. And that can be with any business. So definitely reach out to us. I hope you have a blessed and wonderful day. Enjoy your Saturday. Hopefully it's beautiful where you are like it is here. And I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.